Hi everyone, this is Tracy Siciliano with the House2Home Team, and I'd like to invite you to view our video tour of one of our newest listings at 8431 Woodbox Road in Manlius. This home is in the FM School District in the Eagle View neighborhood, and I can't wait to show you the highlights of this home. As you enter the home, you can see that it has a nice, generous foyer, stairs, nice and open. And immediately to your right as you enter the home, you'll find a first floor office. Notice the beautiful hardwood floors, built-in desk. And this could also double as a playroom or an exercise room, but it's very nice located on the first floor. Moving straight ahead, you'll see a coat closet. Nice sized powder room, half bath. And as you go straight ahead here, look at those beautiful hardwoods. You enter the kitchen. I'm standing right now in the eat-in area, and wow, look at that kitchen. Very spacious, granite countertops, plenty cabinets, lots of counter space, double ovens, pretty backsplash, and you see the second sink right over there. Convenient desk area. Really a nice sized kitchen, and you could also use this as a breakfast bar as well. One of my favorite spots in this beautiful home is this amazing sunroom. Look at that. Literally walls of windows. Nice flat backyard. Very spacious. What a beautiful bright room. I think I'd spend all of my time in this room. Here's a look back at the kitchen. Now as we head back here to your right, you'll find a very generous formal dining room. Pretty wainscoting, hardwood floors, beautiful. And again, a view of that wonderful backyard. Turn you around here, you'll love this living room, family room. Again, beautiful hardwoods, a lot of room in here. Again, another great spot for media room or playroom, you name it. Great space there. Now as we head back into the kitchen, I'll take you on another view here. Lovely. There's a glimpse again of the backyard. This well-cooled stainless refrigerator. There's a look at that second sink. Lots of cabinets. You'll love this generous pantry. And right through this room, that beautiful fireplace in this family room. Great flow to this house. Beautiful fireplace. Lots of space in this room as well. More doors to the backyard. There's the kitchen. And then, right from the garage, we have a mudroom / laundry room with your washer and dryer. Who doesn't love first floor laundry? You also have a nice bench here as well. Wonderful. So there is the first floor of the home. And next, I will take you upstairs. As we head upstairs, I'm going to take you into the master suite, which is right off to your left. As you can see, this is a very generous sized room. Lots of windows, lots of natural light, and a bonus, 2 closets. This home has a lot of closet space, and you'll definitely love the closets in the master, including the walk-in closet right here, straight ahead to your right. As we go straight ahead, we enter the master bath. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Nice large tub. Very relaxing. We have a generous sized vanity, 2 sinks, and we also have a nice sized shower. Beautiful. Give you one more look at the tub. You can see there's a skylight in the bathroom, which really adds a lot of beautiful natural light. Okay, as we head down the hallway, we'll take a look at the additional 3 bedrooms upstairs, making this a total of 4 bedrooms in this home. Here's the first bedroom. Very nice. Second bedroom. Oh, the bedrooms are very nice size. Third bedroom. And finally, the second full bath, which features a bathtub and a cute vanity. So we'll end the second floor right here before we head down to the next bonus in this house, which is a finished basement. All right, heading down into the finished basement, you are going to love the space down here. Plenty of room for playroom, media room, home gym, all of the above. And there's even plenty of room as well for storage. Walk you over here. Here's just one of the clever ways you'll find additional storage right in there. Another glimpse. More storage under the stairs. Shelving behind this door here is the unfinished portion with a workbench and lots more storage. You can see really great space down here with the options to do whatever you want with the space. And there you have it. If you're interested in a showing, please reach out to our team. And we thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.